everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at Tradingview badges, the different type of Tradingview badges and what they tell you about each member. So Tradingview offers badges, each telling you something different about a member. The first one we have is the red mode badge. You can see it here. This red mode badge, what does it mean? The red mode badge is given to moderators to identify them among the members. This badge provides extra security for the members and identifies who is a moderator and who isn't in case you have a question or need help. Members with this badge are official Tradingview representatives, so be sure to follow their guidance at all times. Next badge we have is the broker badge. This colored broker badge, it can be in blue, platinum blue, gold or silver, and it is given to broker accounts on Tradingview. Members supporting this specific badge are the only official broker representatives. The broker page provides extensive information on the terms of use and reviews from live account owners. All brokers presented in your country can be found in the brokers list. Let's look at it. This is the blue broker, gold, and the other color broker. So, like we said, blue, gold, or silver. So the last color is silver. Once you see the broker badge, it means that the only official broker representative by Tradingview. Next badge we have is the wizard badge. The green wizard badge is for PineScript wizards. They are the top programmers working with PineScript. The language is PineScript is the language used to create indicators and strategies on Tradingview platform. PineScript wizards make an outstanding contribution to the community, helping numerous traders with their codes. If you'd like to learn more, you can follow the link. So let's look at this. This is the green wizard badge that shows that they are PineScript wizards. Remember, PineScript wizards are top programmers working with PineScript. The next badge we have is a Tradingview employee badge. Now, the Tradingview official account as well as Tradingview employees have a blue badge with a TV logo. You can see it here. This blue badge with TV logo, that is their official badge. Now, if you hover over the badges, you can get additional information about that user's plan. The next badge we have, other badges are usually black badges when this is white in dark mode, to show that a user has bought an upgraded plan, which helps the community and the platform to grow. Just because a user has such a badge does not mean he's a professional trader. Please note that. Hope you found this video helpful on different Tradingview badges and what they signify or tell you about each user. Hope you found this video helpful.